Hello, everyone. Today we are here in Jaipur at the 38th edition of Technology Sabha. I am Vidhi Rajput, correspondent at Express Computer, and I'm thrilled to join by Mr. Amit Agrawal, President Techno Digital. Hello and welcome, sir, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Vidhi.
So, sir, my first question from you is: could you please share your overall experience at the Technology Sabha? Also, if you can share few key takeaways from the event.
Now, first of all, congratulations for this 38th edition and a very well organized event in a beautiful city like Jaipur. Uh, the the outside atmosphere is also such lovely out here that everybody is enjoying. The It's basically a platform where we get to understand from various parts of the countries as to what various states are doing for their citizens. And what I felt most uh, thrilled about was that every state was sharing their thoughts and taking away the best practices which are being followed by each state and trying to implement or trying to think about how to implement within their states. So that's a very encouraging thing. And for players like us or for technology enablers like us, this is a very good platform to understand what are the key areas in which various state departments, various government institutions are focusing on, so that we can also contribute to their growth. So that was a very enriching experience. And yesterday, the other theme which is very prominent today, and likely so, artificial intelligence. We got to know various use cases which are being used in the governance, which are being facilitated by artificial intelligence. That was eye opening.
Thank you, sir. And so, how Techno Digital is contributing towards the advancement of e-governance in India?
Now, if you see, e-governance has been centered around certain locations. The IT infrastructure that we have available in India today is very heavily centered towards the larger cities. Uh, but if you see, what are the applications being uh, hosted in various states, uh, every state is facing either a challenge within their state data center or is dependent on the central locations for hosting their data. What we are doing as a technology enabler is setting up data centers in Class B and Class C cities. So we are democratizing the availability of a tier 3, tier 4 data centers in those smaller cities so that the data can be hosted, applications can be hosted, and the newer applications which are enabled by AI, which are very power hungry, can be hosted in their own local locations, and the enablement of these applications can happen locally. So this is what our contribution towards the e-governance is. We have also tied up with Railtel so that we can provide a interconnected data center. So it is not isolated data centers which are being developed by other players, but with Railtel we are ensuring that we are providing interconnected data centers which will be helping distribute the IT load, which will help in creating more space for the applications to be deployed so that the governance can be provided to every nook and corner of India.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for sharing such a valuable insights with us.
Thank you, Vivek. Thanks.